Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is a beach blanket from the California Beach Company. It comes in its own bag. That's actually a backpack. This beach blanket is so thick and so soft, and it has weighted corners. It's just the coolest thing. Come with me to the beach, and I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Because it is a built-in backpack, you're able to carry this beach blanket really easily. So it's easy to take with you, and because the bag is connected to the blanket, you're not going to lose it. Oh, what did I do with my carrying bag? Because it's actually attached to the blanket. And this blanket is very, very thick and soft and comfortable, so it protects you from the hot sand. And those weighted corners are such a great idea so that your blanket doesn't blow away. If you're putting it down by yourself, you're not struggling with it in the wind, and you know it's not going to blow away on you once you're enjoying the beach.
So this super cool blanket from the California Beach Company comes with its own carrying bag that works as a backpack. It's really comfortable and reversible, and it has weighted corners so you don't have to worry about your beach blanket blowing away on you. And one other thing that I really love is it has this little mesh pocket here where you can store your keys or your wallet or anything else that you might want to place that doesn't fit in your pocket. And what I like to use it for is for my beach treasures, my seashells. I'm really happy with this bag, and that is my point of view.